How to apply personal loan on Barclays. Now, if you wish to apply for a personal loan on the Barclays Bank or app, first of all, you must simply open your browser. And once you basically open your browser, just type in apply personal loan Barclays and you'll find the link from Barclays Bank themselves. So it says personal loan, and first you have to check if you're eligible for the loan, how much you can borrow, then only you should be able to see. Right now, when you tap on the first link after you search for the keyword, here you can see how much can I borrow. Tap on how much can I borrow. Now you can simply open it in the app. So you can see if you've been pre-selected to apply for a loan. This means you can see how much you may be able to borrow and your personal rate. And all of that you can do it with the Barclays application. So you can simply open the Barclays application right here, and once you launch the Barclays app, log into your mobile banking. There you should be able to see if you're eligible for the loan and apply for it as well. This way you'll be able to apply for personal loan on Barclays. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.